After 100 days of online classes, my kid has shown really good progress in learning, considering he is a very beginner. I would like to thank the excellent teachers of Time Kids Preschool for this. Thanks a lot.
Time Kids have done a wonderful job adapting quickly and bringing the change in the system of work. It has been 100 days of online classes, and the commitment and the efforts by the teachers, parents and the super kids is highly remarkable. Kudos to the team.
Congrats Time Kids Ashramam for completing 100 days of online class. Your teaching method is awesome. That make my kid very smart. Special thanks to Agnes Ma'am and management of Time Kids Ashramam. Thank you.
I am Parvati, mother of Master Rohin VP, studies in LKG in Time Kids Ashramam Center. I would like to thank all the teachers, especially the class teachers in LKG as well as UKG. As we are facing a difficult situation due to COVID-19 pandemic, you guys are doing a wonderful job for our kids for their active participation, and they are engaged in their studies through the virtual online classes. So once more, I would like to thank all the teachers and sir for the proper guidance and support for our kids. Thank you.
Hi all. Let me begin by congratulating Ashramam Time Kids on their 100 days of journey. The journey was really interesting till now. Seeing our kids improve their skills through your support was really satisfying. A big shout out to Agnes Ma'am for her dedication, influence and care for the kids. May the Time Kids continue their motivating journey. Thank you. Say thank you.
Happy 100 days of online classes, dear Time Kids. We are so grateful to be a part of you. So in this pandemic situation, the effort that you are taking for balancing the curricular as well as extracurricular activity of a preschool student by means of online classes is really remarkable. My son is studying in nursery class of you, and I can see so much improvement in the academics as well as social interaction of you. So keep going and all the best.
Hi, on this 100th day of online sessions by Time Kids Ashramam, I wish them all the best. I would like to say that the online sessions are very interactive as well as very child-friendly sessions. The interaction from the part of the teacher, the body movements and all. My child is very interested to attend the session, and also her participation is also good that on online sessions. And with regards that mobile app, it is very useful for us parents, because we can know what contents have been covered or what yet to cover, and also the worksheets and timely interference regarding pending works, and also we are able to, they also guide the parents to how to move the small kids, and it's really, I wish all the best for the Time Kids Ashramam for their journey. Thank you.
Hi, as we are on the 100th day of online schooling system, I think I should congratulate the Time Kids Ashramam Center for their efforts in helping us to tackle the difficult situation. At first it was quite confusing and complicated to me, but today my daughter, who is a student of the PP1, has got adapted to the new system in a very positive manner, and the Time Kids have come up with a user-friendly app with live class sessions, and also incorporating stories and rhymes and daily worksheets and activities in a fun-loving manner, and also keeping track of their studies. I think I owe a big thank you to all the teachers and the management for their continuous support and guidance. Please keep up the good work, guys.
Thank you Time Kids team for the wonderful 100 days of online classes. My kid Uttara has improved a lot. Thank you so much.
Enrolling my son to Time Kids was the right choice. The virtual classes on point and the interactions they keep with his child is really appreciable. He really enjoys the session.
We are enjoying the online classes. All the activities are super fun and informative. My little one likes to do the activities at home. All the best, Time Kids.
All the best, Time Kids.
Thank you, Time Kids.
Thank you, Time Kids.